All right. Sorry, I had a little bit of technical difficulties. Hopefully that's not too loud. Should be just right. Good morning. I had tweeted out what I am looking for today. Today is going to be a wonderful day, if I do say so myself. Just check and make sure the music's not too loud. Yeah, it's not too loud. Give me a second. Send this to so yeah, man, make sure y'all like the stream. It helps out. Like the stream. Join the Discord. No. Discord link is in the description. And yeah. Let's get started. In an ideal world, in a perfect como se dice, in a perfect perfect scenario, I would like to see London's low get taken out, and then I don't know why my pivots aren't showing up, but yeah, London's low gets taken out. We have a pivot slightly under that. The pivot will probably be at like 95. Should be about or around 95. So we take out pre-market low and we bounce off of that pivot. That's like in the ultra bear case. Super bear case, we go down a little bit more until about 92, where we have this this daily pivot at, and I updated my QQQ chart, so it's right now. So ultra super bear case, we bounce off of this daily pivot. If we get below 92 today, then this could get bad. Next spot I got would be about 80, so hopefully we hold right there. Yeah, 80, the 80s would be the next stop for this, but I feel like upside looks good today, so just got to hopefully we get an entry. Not gonna lie, if you don't front run it. So you're looking at sweep of these lows, sweep of those lows, bounce of the pivot somewhere. I will get it once market opens, but it should be close to around here. And then yeah, we'll target this this gap right here. We got this little pre-market gap. Ain't really nothing, but I do see in this getting filled today, so that leaves us, you know, something to play with. About $5 worth of room, so it should be good. Or $5 on QQQ. NDX, we're gonna take it on NDX, but yeah. I don't quite have NDX down yet, but I think it might be something like 300 points, if I'm not mistaken. We open up down here. Should be something about 300 points, but we got market open in a minute, so let's let's get ready to rumble. Let's get ready to rumble. Like I said, make sure y'all like the stream. It helps out. Make sure y'all like the stream. Hopefully we get an entry off of this, and they don't run to fill this gap off open. Because in that scenario, yeah, we'd probably be playing a rejection. Honestly, I don't know. Let's see where the pivots open up at in a second. Okay. See what SPY looking like. Yeah, see SPY 670, 677, and the pre-market lows right there. So maybe some SMT going on, or maybe we can get some SMT going on at those lows. Let's see. Let's see. NDX is at 24.5. Okay, so I was close. It's about 200 points. Just about 200 points. Said 300. Stream is going to be, you know, we probably just take one trade today. So I gotta get up out of here. So I just take one trade. Let's get a banger though. Let's catch us a bit banger. As long as we don't get an inside day, man, we can make some money. Those inside days was cooking me last week, I'm not gonna lie. And I'd rather just stay hands off than to get fried and be feeling this this pre-market gap. Or it looks like we're going to, so yeah, I'll probably take a jab at a short off like 601 if we fill it all the way and it's like slow. Let's see. Yeah, SPY got that going on. Let's throw our other one up there. Because I'm not gonna lie, I still think I like that one better. See what premium's looking like today. Not too bad. It was crazy on Friday. 3 that way. Of course. It's because, yep. Yeah. London took Asia lows. This didn't take anything. So it's looking like we're gonna play that short. Once we take out Asia highs. And it looks like ES just did. Let's check. It looked like SPY just did. I'm sorry. They didn't though. And versus 5 minute over here. Sweet. We do have a daily bearish gap. So what do we tap into that at? Well, we still got some ways. So let's see what side we get pulled to more. Wouldn't be opposed to jabbing this though. We a couple points from taking these highs, so load up some puts, and then as y'all know, size to 0, so we did test this pivot. Could jump in now. I would rather wait until we get closer up in 28, about 28. I'm sorry, 28.20s. Come on. Hopefully do it in this 5 minute candle, so that way our next one. Like right there. Now, ideally, they both get tagged in the same candle. If NQ takes as high and ES doesn't, probably hold off on going short, honestly. Just so that way, you said, so I can predict the future. Like right there, so. Only gap we got is just 1 minute. So that would honestly be the setup. We take Asia and verse a 1 minute to the downside. But it looks like it's about to you know, just edge our entry. Which I'm praying today is not one of those days. Let's see. Got some nice value picking up right here, so let's see which way sends it. 20 2. There you go. Tag them highs. Let me tag those highs. I'm gonna just jump. I'm gonna jump in. I would say this would be like a I would say like a B setup. Because we do have it's the pivots right here and not the like a resistance pivot, so they could very much so launch it right here. Uh, 24 to yeah. And we have yeah, 24 about 9. Got volume building up right here, so this would be very interesting. inverse this gap, I would say I can jump in some we are in for I actually forgot to say it. I'm just locked in. We grabbed we hopped in short right there. The confirmation was the inverse of this gap, but we got that just now. So let's see. It's up about 100% right now. We are just going for a little base hit, man. Nothing too nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. We just about at our base hit too. Hold up. My fault. Alert y'all. Then take profit, then alert y'all. I'm trying to do. We're up. We are up. Sweet. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm done for the day. Not gonna lie, because I do have stuff to do. But yeah, for those of y'all, or I'm sorry, nobody really got that, but the maybe the Discord, sorry, YouTube. Yeah, I will hop in. I will grab this right here. It's a wide stop, I'm not gonna lie, but the stop will have to be down here or up there. Target would really be something like that. If you're just now, if you're not in this yet, but yeah, I'm not mad at it. We took the setup, grabbed our base hit, made, you know, made some money, and yeah, man, that was quick, but that was quick. See, we you know, we going back on our run, man. This is what we grabbed though. I gotta end up there. Size is 0, but let's just say that. And the target is really these lows down here, but you know, I clipped it, man, because we got our point of controls right here. So either this melts through here and we see pre-market lows, or we flip and we go right back at like 60, 601, 602. So yeah, let's get a grab a little photo for the Discord. Not gonna lie, I'm loving the clean chart and not too many lines on that, John. All right, we got that. All right, I mean, you know, it's just a lot. It is a lot going on this week, so yeah, the streams are gonna be cut short. I think we really only streaming a couple of days out of this week. Yeah, like we don't got Monday, AM Tuesday. We streaming, we live Wednesday for PM session. But I think that might just be in the chat. Sorry, that might just be in the chat, or no stream Wednesday. Cause I have a meeting. Look at that. Nice follow through. Might have to take a updated what's we call it for server actually. Let's take that. Dag, what was I saying? Yeah, possibly no stream on Wednesday. Thursday would be a full day, but then Friday will probably be cut short a little bit as well. So that's that. I can't be mad at getting out at a base hit, but like, you know, we got out right here. So I am human, right? So I'm gonna have a little bit of emotion. We got out right here, and it looks like we're gonna miss about another 100 points, which is probably about another $2 grand for NDX, man. So that is more than us, you doing your thing. I have no idea what you're saying. Yeah, man, you know, it'd be like that. It's crazy. See Roland Hankins in the chat. I promise it's not me. It's my pop. But yeah, man, we that's it. That's it. Oh no, that's what I was saying. Like, this move right here, this candle right here is, you know, probably could have printed us about another $2 grand, but you know, that run we did about 2 weeks ago, it was all off of base hits and high probability trades. So you know, even though it's good to catch the home runs, can't you know, it's good, it's also good to get your money in and get out in this market. So where am I looking at? 70 puts. Yeah, see, this Friday melt. You got orb traders trading the breakout at a 15-minute. That was a beautiful trade. Not gonna lie. That was a beautiful trade. It's tagging London London lows. I'm gonna have to take a updated draw on this full TP. Yeah. get it right here so I can get offline. %, profit hit marks. So you probably selling your hands off now. GG's. OTP is hit. We took London lows. Now it is a very dag, yo. This joint gone. This joint gone. I'm low-key sick. I'm low-key sick. I can actually see how much the contract's looking at now. All right, before I get off stream, because I don't want, man, I'm gonna do this on stream. We had 24, 28. 24, 28 puts. Are they in the money right now? Nah. We grabbed them like at 24.7. So yeah, 24, 280. Sheesh. They at 6-1 right now. We sold at about 3. We sold at 3-1. They at 6-1 right now. I tell you, leaving 3 bands on the table. I don't know how I'm gonna get over that. Oh, I turning off my computer and waiting for tomorrow. That's how I'm gonna get over that. But yeah, man, this week is gonna be a good week. I hope y'all really locked in, as locked in as I am. You mean, Discord link is in the description. Make sure y'all join that. I'm active in there 24/7. You know, that's where you can get the most up-to-date stuff. Sorry for the YouTube your main family that wasn't able to hop in on this joint or get as much. Honestly, y'all still would have made some bread because we got the inversion right here. And then we sized it 0, but a hard stop would have been above that, and y'all still would have made, you know, y'all still would have made some bread. So, I mean, but without further ado, that is all I got for y'all today. Y'all stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow 9:30 for, I'm sorry, I will not catch y'all tomorrow 9:30. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Most likely no stream tomorrow, or if I am streaming, it will be in the chat. So please join the Discord server so y'all can, you know, tag along. Make sure y'all like this video. It helps out. It helps out a lot. And yeah,